So the Reggae Boys are off to play against a country called Bonaire in another CONCACAF Nations League assignment, minus Bayer Leverkusen winger Leon Bailey. And I mention Bailey again because rumors originating in England were flying that Bailey had finally committed to playing for Jamaica and would make his long-awaited debut against Bonaire. But denials have come from both the JFF and Bailey's agent, as the little spark of expectancy was quickly extinguished. But you know what, I think Leon Bailey will play for Jamaica sooner rather than later, for the simple reason that he's running out of options. All this talk about him playing for England and Belgium and Germany was nothing more than verbal scamming. The baller is a ball and bred yardie and only qualifies to play for Jamaica right now. And that's the thing there. So this apparent softening by Bailey's handler, Craig Butler, is a sign that they are recognizing that the options are non-existent. And I want to tell you, with Bayer Leverkusen struggling in the German league and Bailey in and out of the starting 11, as strange as it might sound, the dynamics of life and of football can change in a flash. I think Leon Bailey probably needs international football now more than he needed it a year ago. And by Maverick instincts, tell me that Leon Bailey will play for Jamaica before the end of the year. Yes, that's just my instincts. Huh? Me never said stink, I said instincts. That is just my instincts.